The final Supreme Court decision of the summer could have a big impact in Arizona.
Justices say President Biden can end the Remain in Mexico policy, which has kept people at the border as they wait for their immigration hearings. Hours after that decision, Governor Doug Ducey signed a bill sending more than $300 million for a border wall and surveillance. That's on top of the funding approved in the state budget. Christine Stanwood goes in depth on what it all means for Arizona.
I've always had a passion for helping people.
Cherie Wright is the owner of her law group, IBF. She specializes in immigration and personal injury law.
Immigration attorneys should get ready for a shift in terms of taking on a substantial amount of cases.
This hits close to home as an immigrant herself. She knows she's about to get more calls after the Supreme Court said Thursday the Biden administration could get rid of a Trump-era immigration policy known as the Remain in Mexico policy.
The good thing is that now they will be able to find safety in the United States while their case is being adjudicated, because the asylum interviews take 2 to 3 years sometimes to be held, and that is a really long time.
The court ruled 5-4 in favor of the Biden administration. Cochise County Sheriff Mark Daniels says he respects the court's decision, but he's speaking out on what he sees at the border.
I don't know what's going to do to us down here. What worries me, Christine, is the fact that we continue to erode the infrastructure, the measures that have helped keep us safe. Where do we go from here? And we have to have engagement from President Biden, this administration, Congress, to say and the stats show it, we have to do a better job of securing this border on behalf of this country and our oath of offices.
Sheriff Daniels says 533 migrants have died on the southwest border since October 1st.
We have a crisis on our border. And what we're not seeing is the collective engagement by this administration, by Congress, to help us fix that.
And Thursday, Arizona Governor Doug Ducey signing HB 2317, directing $335 million to border security. The money will be sued for a border fence, along with cameras, drones, and other surveillance equipment. In signing his letter, the governor said in part, quote, "We are taking an additional action to do the job Washington, D.C. refuses to. More action is needed from the federal government, but with these targeted investments, Arizona is putting the safety of our state and nation first." Reporting in Phoenix, Christine Stanwood, ABC 15, Arizona.